Hey guys, hope you have an awesome day. We will be drawing this super easy, super simple, super delicious rainbow flavoured ice cream dipped in chocolate sauce. All you need is something to colour in with and draw with, some paper. Let's go. First we're going to draw a heart shape. So we start from here, nice big round curve, and down to here. And we're just going to copy that shape on the other side. So there, we've got our heart. Next part is going to put the stick of the ice cream in the bottom here. If you wanted to, you can skip this part. And there we go, we've got a very basic heart-shaped ice cream. Now we're going to add some chocolate sauce dripping down on the top. So we're going to start drawing a line along here, and we're going to draw some drips, just like this. And you can space them out and make them random shapes and sizes. Okay, next part is to colour in. And there we go, we've finished colouring in. We've got our rainbow coloured flavoured ice cream dipped in chocolate sauce. Yum. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos that we post every day of the week. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!